Hello, it's Fáilte Na Seansálaithe, mas maidím seansa ghlaciad na Seansálaithe. Is me se Hugh McGill cheada agus tema thógruaigach. Thógruaigach arcam cas le hipster Bigfoot faoi láthair ach be seo lig chríicne rih an céad Eagrán eile, so galam sin díobh agus seo agus snéad ó bhranta is Nollaig díobh, cos sé seo an céad lead a mí na Nollaig. Yo, Táimid an seo. Táimid seo mar scra lemuid cóileachí, lemuid cairde ar dúspáirt mu seo le Áine bhuiir. Áine, go dtíobh tá tú?
Mu go mai. An do you know what? Ná mohí go tú latain leis
Tá sí emotional, ní hiagdí fiú even an focail a rá faoi an méid grúig atá me é, sin a ban bocht. Tá all right.
ná bhí mo go tú latain mar tá ahan lad a dulthart le grúig beidir suirt gur deoch le a bheith ceistú an tar grúig tar eis a cúla míanús maiall ar Movember ar 9. So níl tú latain tá go leor lads le pastí Aistecha grúigar eiscú. A sa doce ní sarna an go is mónda cin tá feici agam.
Nelas agam faoi sin a cantrí daoine bhfuil grúigar ééis acu gur féad a cheistú, tá man seo fásta le James ó Fáilte. James, go dtí mar tá tú?
Má tá héin agus mo chrummel ionintach má. Mar dús aine, tá sé smálumsa an fiasó Q. I think cá se fannacht. Cá se fannacht písabeg is an ceang na roller needles sin á agus just lethní máach beg ní be look nuad. Agus sin bit mar na cean was a chuí tá rutin ag mrá was like what a grú curly acu sin bín se straight. It's like go amach le birth different. This is clean shave hue and then beardy hue and then birth different.
No, because no ten cart again because ahríonn do bheon nar atá grúig difriúil mar bhí misisiúla má le ban agus sin bhearm grúig gearú as like bhearm an buzzcut a bhearm agus dúirt tuise gur má casta duine go thomlan difriúil nar bhí an buzzcut agam. So no, I think bhfuil an cartig James go ahríonn
An sian sib se gohfuil páirsanach difriúil agam sa nar tá nig nar tá grúig catach orm nar tá main na curl sin nach chuirsteach mo chud grúige.
Yeah,
I think Sassy
Áine. It's because to do like an unlike in Greg Carla agus to bitch faoi daoine agus Hollama shot faoin thing shot ar Holla.
Was that like for and the curls like a stu? Was on
the curlers, yeah. Binchi Goni, you know, Arkan Costa like Granny, could just more done the generation. Granny Jazz, Gilf, like, do you know what I mean? Like, you know, ni
Gilf, ni could Gilf, Hannah.
They're how to Gilf.
No.
Yeah.
Jin Gaelic immersion. See, Niella Mamo. Glock just tell lose because we miss you like Shan with her. Can die. The cash neogumse that James of Fáilte. Mar ta bestie urugud a hannig ma har and Gerry seachtainí. Hannig ma picture to chain agus Gerry Adams.
Oh. You were like Kay?
and Silver Fox I hate.
Oh, stop. Agus we should actually really dead on. So we might actually really thought to I should actually do a house machine. Agus yeah, we should gas me up. Eigen erachtas. Like look, ton choller tegen erachtas. So I should that the heart. Ach, kan gonna dini it go go Sinn Féin. Kino, chuir seach cáinna, is mi sé gar bheith kino sidestep is gur for amachfu ach obviously ní raibh sin agus cancer marrá ó tar go ag an ócáte atá garú son na Gaeltachta agus tinol Gaeltachta bhí nuair cíns ag look like ní duine ionintach political mi sé like ní mór an clúm ní táú ach he machines, I guess it's Éist me the look action we like oh basically seen so fantastic gewoon beter elu bug mag Marvin making was that maar we mochten bug niet torsa
yeah
I still met Gerry Adams just me like no to make a picture me out the story I guess I'm already can caption down I guess so he mentioned now whole geisle dini kans sus nadini vi at a panel and you're the sore job dul me galore. Sá job an chonne i láhar ach ní romas go ceir ní go argon sína ní go taína hí me sin le timppel hóch le há le just chun an picturád le an túsel Adams.
An túsel Adams.
Tá burt ná duine ar an dóin. Tá daoine agus níl is cumló an mé an rud is táchttaí dóibh nuir tá siad amí ná picú á leis an duine is cáú le deirhí mu an seo sa teamra. James an duine sin.
Yeah. Cloud chaser ó flaharta.
It's usually Mr. Gerry in the mission, okay?
Oh yeah, lad le féach í dochrate sin caiim an ceiste chudó cavéad de DM ó bhhuiirú ar an dónach an sin é an pactar sin a ceáú ar de scéal.
Seap go actually meagral in edited notifications steach go chuirmas ús na likes agus no reactions. Seapin go bhhuir se breis is tríocha seapin. Yeah. So you can bras lost.
Nis no kind of DMs no just a kind of reactions or scale mar tá different.
Oh yeah, like DMs like chuig and reactions was another 5 or 6 and then likes was like 25.
And gap and shiv, right? Sha rud a tag chart the shala Instagram anish. And gap and shiv gobe a torch like hig Instagram scale gobishin costla flirting. Because the dingy rash and go me to like, oh yeah, like to make her like higgin thingy will some of them onto so go my like inchin saku and gap to go shin like fear like gnobri and shin.
Reactions
No. That's it's to solder like this is obviously to see a cadre of like you know.
No, and if you go that you need to slow your roll.
Okay? Yeah.
But I feel like Arkham Costele, you know, in the nation now, like new my flirt on Lashonir Chimblianta, that when cos le Shanvan, I'm out to touch because like me clue shades the tarlu, me like chicos le poka or Facebook.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, so she's not an actual original. Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Imagine on poka horta lad or Facebook and this.
But the James is name.
Having to go brahancha is on dinner. Agus brahancha cared a horse sauce.
Fact.
Yeah.
Fact.
So is como Ketan, maar dat misje in de landwacht, als my horse sauce picture gone Gerry cliché. Something that is very core homestead. To come like up is come get on. Picture down hope agus tá mission Kenny and Gerry. Hi, hello, hi there.
But like, okay, take him to class school shot or no school to kill that cur to hain like and like inchin and thingish or whatever. But like, are her to Rio text thing in it's na tort like the scale Instagram. Do you know like that hurts the reaction of good bedrock or fragger. But like there was just like you have to call it like oh Hottigburger to like them on Instagram scale and then you go how do we do like you need thingy or Harvey.
Yeah, ik heb een goeie is good tatters ash way reaction. Dan like cause I just raw look homse tattoo visually pleasing. So to my just Garrett
the Riz you are visually pleasing. Aber de man is nou wat een lean snoesage.
Gewoon usage nu was usage ja.
Hey, booger right. Kaint na man hóisiilta. Sorry. Ihe integraithe ag Hugh Magilla Cara ihe hína sicate Twitter no X for hogam modernish agus segue bogustá ag go an Nollaig agin. Could you shoot look Hugh Hina?
Near mar na siúla go mahain a tweetal really sin the one if you might just like if you might rash all le ding chart an neri so sé ihe na break an avion toy show vi siúl late agus an neri ringwood live tweeting her le hain ober agus ní much non callú in bhí se like freaking like adrenaline rush ag genu and made shots. You might get break like the James a guy, but honestly, to just flat out a Gary Smeechu or jokes because you know the Gary Vay or cool or Harvey. So ringman with Kieran the Liana agus ní vín fiú a gurk or notifications that could be rud to just a caiú 100 suas like 100 rud a chain suas or 100 the tag and the inkin to just tweet us good sort of was am a good few sweetuar Sheedham and Kinnawan we tweet away or cap mark grow raw Dantra or raw then agus near tweet him and it was gonna be like you know that girl Elvis Presley on that's good like the and people on Twitter was being like breaking Elvis Presley found dead in Miami and I was like Bedgershin Barry Bedger Commission raw at the because ring machine la Mr. Tato riv agus neuro Tato saslum good the machine
really
but well I think her just ring a genuine factish because we cost that Cowell Mr. Tato it was from a Fragerer and it was like fake news headline it was there like breaking Mr. Tato found dead in Miami and it was like Pukter Duke was Bualadh was Ashnesty in like Ostan or whatever and the thing was like this is the one thing we didn't want to happen agus her and Cuntus Tato Fragerer Morale like no there's a calculator like there's a calculator like that
It's Brian Tato's tour.
Not be aversion. Yeah. Oh, it's listen to McCreasty. The arm genu over that Tato like seachtainí because people like I really hope not. Or can just my annuum. I guess fucking should change site stuff to my tweet off who.
I take him and I grow to Mohu in tweet us and Virmsa live clipping in and if you go over the TG Kahar agus tattoo co wired in the ní lachan tú sus an trí uirclaigh nó cibé ama atá just ag arc an scálan ag arc an ríomhre tá sé có intense. I'd say grow tú i do gúiseach do chud is mód an íhan éis in ro.
Oh, V. Yeah, V. Yeah. No, you're on Dul Hollow or Harvey. It's not like need me Moscow mall or any those, but if you might just like kind of like crowds the Malawi dead in the Asian, just like in mid podium.
Basically, much got a conspo of Nijach. Nivan Misher twice over Horva.
Really?
No.
Tia, grow to grow back up?
Tasha Yakut. Like, just be my like crawl to my ball, like on cringe. Be my like, oh, need
really?
Yeah, just need my nan. Like, basically, the walk my yacht is minier and come off on a brander and he's like, but like, romhainn, brander the winter, like, it's like flashback or my like, oh, man, I'm fall excited when toy shows with the like, not in it. For my seachtainí trace or all, yep, Dini go near a Husson Buchelbergschen a class Ireland's call. Agus go Hugh Bert fi brohamach. For my seachtainí or all, shit go mishe dinner kuchen. It doesn't bother. You fuck off, Mr. Schumacher late. Ireland's call it. Agus yeah, on Cudus noch the forma na go me go shit groma anchasul le Peter O'Mahony. Rud atá mishe fear hostfui fair
on the
into the so we
on more
I was it Kevin Gate was nama ich der breakfast so Rud like for we mishe absolutely over the moon is comparison ich habe ihn just on bear gruige wie genau konstelle hier
the Molly funny me a chat mark as we click and say sort he's get the bug ni ro gartier right agus the mate go be me up to the Molly shoe a shot and I was like James
imagine kecha disappointed is nog een gaschen dat als dat simpel ik de cooling one nog Bundyaki de cooling get of just mission
oh Bundyaki agus cake
Ach ní sí am go daní sé leis na pátí nar hagan duine amach mar bín si de lig réile cuiú tá nómarcha get buinte asú sílam wachtú in lad sin na bhí canú ó an Girls Aloud an tá si do má agus dúirt Pat Kenny ó te gurí dul is Northlo he was like no
na hé Pat Kenny vi can so baige
na bé vi se Pat Kenny vi like Girls Aloud na fro
yeah oh Pat Kenny actually can so
Yeah.
Ceam se cíaltaí an lead dá mar.
No, seo blianttí han, seo blianttí blianttí.
Oh,
Yeah.
go tháinig Pat Kenny amachchas.
For one night only, tá Pat Kenny arás.
A dúirtú sin leis an sin winning like.
You're like, actually,
Ní hé Pat Kenny in you.
Actually, Patrick Keelty I'm dead. Just the ghost of toy show host pasta how you come out.
Bhín le is mó an ihe.
so bhí tú cáint fums already. Níl some cén fáil with tú already
Fear an mullet, fear an chláir.
far brass and Claire. Sorry. A han rud a clusin faoin ládog seo capam gur like joke atá arsúil like a han le uair. Shamey tang bhír James Kaitúr so is Shamey.
Oh no, chonig my TikToks go ranger the honig so obviously we viral so chonig my ke.
Oh my god.
Tá pátí mar sin I Kilfanora.
Oh no, hold on a second. Áine, bhí se ar Claire na two Johnnies and seachtainiúil I ceol ein phodchraoladh by Richie Kavanagh. Tá lad like seacht blian the ish. Ní sin like bred to be culty like you know like ní sin like her hoax den lad seo in lab ach tan lab like farm agus tá se just like an culty is furfa the walking through Rio. Tá
Tá si le mar sin na Kilfanora ní me máú.
Correct.
Couldn't she look hang mine ní si go gar sin de inis so the sort of pobl so go hen the rise and sin cos an ahand in a ceol tim an ahand in a tractor the she'd an rodul as ves kon they far like okay ní na mullets are who like sin rud a bhíonics and cool way ra and two Johnnies godani sé ma has bullog as brin na wahar leis an mullet ron mullet a fáir as é sa brin.
Yeah, mar gro se hí san Austral nar first nar a hanig an tail.
He was in his mammy's belly nar bhí she's an astral.
Yeah.
Agus híl siad grown am let's cool hallan sin.
Ru fi Kilfanora tá céili band acu.
Oh yeah.
Yes, my Hugh.
Yeah, vi ma fa se joken. Yeah.
Le blianttí ví tú fáin le daine le
Come over ar seo ríiste.
just James Tá má gafalas si ceapam go se clás like agus nes gohfuil a go déirhan go mééis seach senim ceáil fásta like igen like Jack blianana bei séimi igen arachtas stíl leir an trad session saolia like an mullet goáir.
Jepan go bé an second coming go Christy Moorton.
Oh, Cé fan géad. Céad fan géad. They're just hánig se má agus, you know, like nar fáin Christy Boas go raibh Adams aige se higan leanamh seo.
Se go film sin Shazam was an nervvín sin go an spiritu seachla idir seach mar superhero.
Agus just dearan seach Kilfanora agus just Kilfanora. Aíonn se seachadí Christy Moore. Breaking news, right? So literally just Nate chats with my Twitter. Agus the Spotify Wrapped in Nate chat ma or while of dull fridge are good Spotify Wrapped like hella.
Mu an go a chuig nach.
Be mo Bhín mo mar gé nach an bhíon. Harry Styles.
Sorry, I think what us Kane or on the thing of him more ever heen and it's gonna be like this man needs mental health like this just you know and they're asking to agus tugann se like blasúid dá an ced or an a tugad whatever just Holman and rud agus feel like oh no so 2023 Spotify Wrapped.
Oh, it's Burgerathon,
Jay?
Yeah, the top genres, delicious.
Oh. Dirt Lumsey, the 2023 was a feast for my ears because I listened to 58 genres. Oh, it's Capradusa because it made layers tugan. Or better commission or
oh.
Yeah, it's Capradusa.
You're some great even 58 genres go kill on.
And Kujismo is rock, alternative emo, singer, songwriter, pop, agus hip hop.
Wat is de kans voor de genres kill nu nummer on le.
Wow. Wow. That was Urwan Gormala alternative emo. that was one time.
On junction say yes pile.
Oh yeah, incursion, yeah, execution cheese. One place listen just like you. Entry that came the actually is catching to at like dingy Asian kill here in the latter. Because there's it's clear because listen, people are more likely to be fans of the Mary Wallopers, Aslan, and the Scratch. You played 2,884 songs in 2023. As in, like, Deishmala, Yavila, Ockhead, Ockcar, Kenny Differil. Hell yeah! Top song is Bleed American by Jimmy Eat World and the absolute emo banger. The Ugly Arm Grushik can like really like Scan Rule are really depressing, but it's absolute bangeration. My top songs than Blian was oh no. Okay. Sean top songs than Blian. Ever Quig, The Holy Ground, The Merry Wallopers. So in Kinder there's like Fine Girl, yeah. Ever Car, Shush Golf Is On by Hot Mulligan, emo song. Ain't It Fun by Paramore, emo song. This Fire Like Kill Switch Engage, Screamo song. Bleed American Jimmy Eat World, emo song. Oh no. Oh no. Which you listened for 22,448 minutes.
22,000.
22,000. Quick jig la in the hella Dan Blian. Agus in la is major small. Top 17% of listeners in the world. 1,632 artists this year at Deishmala. Individually. Agus Everheen is Hot Mulligan, which is emo.
Is this okay, Hugh?
I think there's a Salar La Fecal nach Wilma. Oh, Britain she's cake a minute is Daesh to lash na Danish. So it's like Daesh to la. Oh wow, sorry. To ban and so and every da do so was Banachal Darvanian Black Country New Road at that inta like depressing. Like this like really sad or whatever. I was thinking just Fecal. It's like ni Hmala or Harby or Fartumel, and then it's just massive spikes. Ig Amini like nervy like more depressed. So it's gonna be like thing it be whatever, and then it's just suddenly January, boom, April, boom, and Saru, boom, Fallout Boy, yeah, it's Giorg and Rudgear, Shaw, oh, modern baseball, no, it's literally all Banachal emo Testima top 5.
Yeah, so much saying to get you know, routine can go Hugh and look, that's like a
I was gonna say voucher light therapy.
It comes to my V Bronach echo come I because I just landed Del Rey.
Oh well, because in Yarnshaw like in Spike or
top listen of July.
Oh gas.
You know it's down the this the costla Áine.
Galu.
Galu.
Yeah, it's such a okay, fine. Can I come your kneecap and can na coronas. And taon fá géist leis na corona is na electric picnic. Níor éis mé le riomha Eurovision, chunig me EPs, and I was like, catchy. I stand people song and origin o hin.
We're still counting Aaron's lib on odds are downing Aaron. People there are far more likely to be fans of.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
For this America, where?
So for you, for this Balaclea, this is Cooning Balaclea.
Yeah.
And if it's the guy that do Cooning Ada. From Provo, USA.
Visa come shin. Visa come go to Gunny Shinny Anu. More yeller and Cal Cheerer fod.
Balance I consider go like simple Arizona, Texas, Agus California. It's a 3 station. So Provo, USA.
Yep. Yeah, into the arm. Visa and Grove Shin go more in class.
Yep. So kun you're that?
Oh, now halfway. Spotify rap show like that naira doing or rather be rap.
Wait, can't which I like just like pop because...
yeah. So they me le mile ke doctor walk doran. So Neil nephew or lahan major ta ogata Hugh ni doilum. Igor Kushigan and Lord small deish na call me by your name, little Nas X. Ni reish melishin I'd say a shade Latin vlian. Sílam goéis me leis mór gnám sin bblion.
So bhí 5 ágam sila blianttí ar Spotify where tá mó like ag an seinlist to be magusas nuair tá titim nach háú tá sin ar Spotify. So aham blian bhí like John Mayer mar Ibrahim dúsa agus like it's bralam John Mayer but ní really éisiom leis nuair tá muscailte it's nuair tá titim nach háú. So it was like yeah, this is like, you know, this is like in Saked, Heen Fingay, the Aishari, the John Mayer. And I was like, no, Nia.
So anti-brand for me.
Yeah, but no, it was in like Shaw, like, you saw like an area, in Riverson, it was like in the cracks or whatever. But we mentioned the Hollow, got ham, if my gay shot lash. So I was like, So I was like, Neil has the top 1%.
Is Cian top artist as Amrina?
A top artist of Miana is Hot Mulligan. Banachal Emo.
Cian Kate's down to Sean.
King Kate. Oh, shock Jake from Gate. So not like crazy.
Give it Áine.
And top artist in Blian.
Yeah. Yes, Gerry
Mr. Harry Styles.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah, absolutely.
Ever though few are my top 5 songs as it was. Agus an sin the Fleetwood Mac everywhere. Like tá Shoko Bronach. Summertime Lana Del Rey. Like Dílam go mé mar géin le go mé géisteach le leor go shows mé donna colú.
Yeah.
So it's not ní reflection armsa but an count trad atá the top 5 na Salo Grua Carol Hession passion co Bronach.
En a leid na hóran atá add-on níl an bron cho evident in anim an óran ag atá go bheith I mochud smersin. Yeah, tá mochud sách donna.
Éidir chuig óran.
If a chuig Outskirts le Sam Hunt.
Yeah.
Faoi Bishcray.
Yep.
If a cat, Ryan McMullen in the back of my mind.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Quinn XCII, I think it'd been 1992, well, Roman numerals. But yeah, the lows at I'm there.
Wow.
If it though you and Manwood, leave me lonely.
Stop.
Agus Ibrahim is cheat codes like Brett Young, the hurt that you gave me.
Oh,
jeez, what's okay?
Agus this magu armsa a ra like like a red emo.
We miss maga footsa me all me mochud fecky.
You don't grow sad summers again the league.
Yeah. Well, no, be James Gishers and Colch. If you want a sad weekend, just grow. Well, be this seen running in this James agus ní Adams shot, and I think shouldn't fly go more hodge like capping sig much minutes listen like these mona feed all meal or whatever. But I think it's because ní Éist listen Aran Kieran the really realta. Whereas the imaging Sakar like hella but like leagable farsha, and I think her holm a couple of orange and like free quigger riv Gerry and Turs. So
Jarrata joke go Éist the hurt that you gave me Cade Fichu.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
James
see you log of
Mo top Aran was fi sé good Éist Malish orange.
Fi sé.
Yeah.
And you see, the Spotify answer at a Goonie, so James Cigar, Mo súil, come coma, so the Mochas Numads ag chuig 1,800,000.
Oh my god.
So Shin at Stichel Cool Law.
Jesus.
So le Jack Johnson and Irichin go will video parsanta again.
Permission Kindle Fallout Boy.
Hold on, someone's on the other line.
Yeah, hot permission King Kieran.
What was she in Fishon? Oh, for.
Okay.
For Misha Muchan way Doltor Dynam Nick D.
Hug Nick D. Chakratich.
Yeah, was that the can on Pineapple or on?
Oh Jesus Christ, James.
Yeah, tá Misha in the top. Nods punka chuig fin géad.
Mohin sé parsanta though. Goil si de cur an hogan.
Yeah, so the mission you're a top 0.5% fan and you spent 1,295 minutes together.
That is crazy. So Éist Tissel and he's more Éist Tissel and he's more ceall na Misha James.
Yeah. Bhín sé gcóí ar siúla agat ní glachan dús us.
Bón ceol no. Ach sin the phodchraoladh tá like the just fucking vain and it's the high performance podcast. Sorry,
1 second. To the gish just the high performance podcast.
Yeah. Sin an phodchraoladh smooth my gish.
Cé bhí bomache tugh de Éist le phodchraoladh team.
I don't think we're more on them now in fairness.
A ceramíle fiocht ógamsa.
Mis timpplair ceir míle fásta.
ní me se chuig just faoi míle.
Éist me se le níos phodchraoladh nach ceolnar tá mé le sa gym nó sa car.
no chu níos mú ceol.
Okay, turn top 5 doing it, James. Ma gine phodchraoladh lostal.
Ní amach ceann because the other anything yet it doesn't make sense like because it's just like a daily drive.
Yeah.
Was that?
It's like the Daily, whatever, like the New York Times can be.
Yeah, exactly. So such a chinny capo go my gauge option after like reading name like probably made a skip out. So after just on high performance count macht option. It means I guess that. Yeah, it was like Elaine actually. We make a high performance podcast version Agus. Ruth 40 that my gauge is in Nora. Agus river quick criú the Casper Michael aku Ed Unclar cool body. Agus like raw on their units to bottom like near ta thing and all that cracks you like raw I shouldn't like code really ma Zimmerman hate clu elle a law hate a honig pulcr ma agus ring my bottom more mental to so yeah he's not fog my full scale but there's a rig ma
Cai stad ge sinna fá grown and bottom nuggets a clé
be my headphones should
Gerry ma anish Sheedom go Sean Keb blian le fada a higlam a ra goal shall and Shaw like actually accurate higgin blian of yogum mar V shall the ra vicha like just like could be ready for my gesh logs maybe just in the hollow like it was like my top artist was like he's like John Mayer, Ye Vagabonds, Radiohead, like Jeff Buckley like it was all thing you go crease the onto but you're my real gesh law agus may actually musculture, you know, so I don't think it can't seen shin.
Mocking her via Lena. Well, that tree in us and chuig phodchraoladh her via. So if we're hitting that table manners le Jessie Ware, Lenny Ware.
Yes.
Iconic. If we're do dish le Nick Grimshaw agus Angela Hartnett. Can I will be chats ni gahaldu.
Yes.
If we're tree my pod on paper, the unofficial Love Island podcast. A getting her she's ahanile law in the Clar or Kate Harley love it. Iver gar na Nation Killian leis mochant smartless le Jason Bateman, Sean Hayes, Will Arnett.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, can my sin agus a not can na dinners on me with Jesse Tyler Ferguson, you know, and lad Uncle Mitch.
Yes.
Yeah, Tugan Shadini, Collie le Higgin Junior leis so. Yeah, tá téma ógamsa agus solir an sin.
Yeah, tá téma amsa mo chud ceoltóirí gon blian. If they hear Nick D, cinál rap agus cinál cheesy ceol Americanach. If they do, good old Dermot.
Good old Dermot.
If they three, Brett Young, ceol seed Americanach. If they ceathair Ryan McMullen, agus if they chuig Moncrief. So chuig fid fear wignach.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so Gorina, you are what you eat. Homsa, you are what you listen to.
Mohud's top phodchraoladh was me damn sure Visha no encore, which is phodchraoladh Kjall and being mo Cara Ejenu, and Ked Canella was Hamish and Andy and like the comedian Shaw as an Austral at fucking should into my Mulling Gmoriad from on Shin Deadlock, which is wrestling podcast. Agus and Shin ever Cahar was the rest is football and Kenla Garland Kerr, Michael Richards, Agus Alan Shearer. Agus Shin and Car phodchraoladh you were even top 5 on it. It was literally Shin and Car phodchraoladh when if my geisha law. Yeah, I was spread about still more on Instagram account because I having her scale
yeah
and just heavily judge a handling it.
Being grammar like being thinking right it was my ways where they like should not go play just on the Instagram feed more the Spotify after the after I similar fake like English could I tell so I think
said Dini knock was sauce they right
yeah
no
I guess them publicly raw or
the or on the one
Even just just an Aaron Karen the Cade Fiúr Nichella is just
Níchéile ó
Yeah, well, obviously.
Daura.
Saoirlí céad fiúr lá.
Basically dug na chola lá ó mí
Agus bhfuil tú chin de go fáil.
No, what a pop. Tá gur géis leis an níis. So ach tá is súil le na héisteoirí fád go mé sibse rins where Spotify rap agus go mé na seansálaithe I work phodchraoladh.
Sorry, and even female sweet you sin.
Yeah.
Would it be echo feet a géis lein?
Ring my glán Jarmus sin tagil much of the hall because
Yeah.
Jane gain the much reveal. Ring my glán Jarmus go Russian more federact. That like cromage not that go well thing you get shot line you fast.
Agus tá ma díadach takes on way cean go ha éisteoirí agus tá siise sa top 6 faoin géad. Go éisteoirí na seansalaithe is éistíling seachtainí.
Go on the lads.
Shout out Ruth
Hop Ruth.
She the way of job.
But it's Caroline.
Go on, Ruth. Right, well, I think we're going to wrap us. I can't be wrapped. Come wrap us. Yeah, boy. Gurmí máid sa bhéigeis na seansaí be muidir ras a ríis gan bhfuil le Eagrán uair ach go dtí sin is feeling muide amsú na man hosta na seansaí ar Instagram, na seansaí ar Twitter, na seansaí ar YouTube, agus fear agus éanaí gáil to think of echo more faceog more that will be gone faoin ceidir eile ecinntá. So aber slan faceog Hugh, slan faceog Hugh. But the Gerry Áine amsú the man hosted that more anywhere Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. But the Gerry James amsú the man hosted that more flahar tach or Instagram, flahar tach or Twitter, agus flahar tach or TikTok. Agus but the Gerry Mahane amsú or the man hosted that more Hugh Carr here or Instagram, Hugh Carr here or Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Carr or TikTok. Not to be Jeremy with more just Matt Hamwich or the Spotify raps, please Kirsch Galoging because providing Shanak up in Intaglacha, the Echo, the Dingy V Gasharlinia. Agus Garmoy is actually Gashling, the Bliana, Agus the Blianti actually you're fading around this more goomich or involved like Yevlianish, which is disgusting. Ach Gaji and Ked Ally, when you salt as Jerry Shark, but you salt as a Nollaig, famous he's other voices, so my acting to me he's in Torpog too. I'm so alone. Gaji Shin, when you salt because be Madrash, the Aggregator the Shansi Conway. Salon.
Wow.
Beautiful.